Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video I am going to show you how to disable autoplay video sound on Facebook. Autoplay video begins automatically as you scroll, and to disable the autoplay video sound, first open your Facebook application on your mobile phone. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now here you'll be taken to the home page. Now tap on your profile icon with the three lines on the top right corner or the menu icon. Then scroll down. Now tap on settings and privacy. Now on the second last option you can see mobile data uses. Tap on mobile data uses option. Now here you can see autoplay settings. Here you can see various of autoplay settings related to the videos. Now you can tap on never autoplay videos option so that your videos won't be automatically played. This feature also disables the sound but your videos won't be autoplayed. Then you can see videos start with sound option. Tap on the small notch so that the blue notch doesn't appear. With this, you'll be able to disable the video sound on Facebook. This will disable the sound even when your videos are at autoplay. Your videos won't start with sound when you choose this setting. This is how we can disable autoplay video sound on Facebook. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.